today's video, you will learn 2 DIY recipes for firming saggy cheeks. There is no magic formula to go back in time and fight the aging process. As we get older, our skins naturally change. Spots, sagging, and fine lines can and will appear. But did you know that besides being the body's biggest organ, the skin also reflects your internal wellness? In other words, the appearance of your skin indicates if you are healthy or not. You may not be able to completely escape the aging process, but did you know that you can slow its effects down? Some of the most common signs of aging are sagging cheeks, wrinkles around the eyes, fine lines around the lips, and age spots on the hands. Besides, there are reasons to believe that deep wrinkles on the forehead can be more than just an aesthetic issue. What treatment do you choose to firm sagging cheeks? Let's see them now. Yogurt and Aloe Facial Mask. This mask is highly nutritious and used by many women. Yogurt, when combined with aloe vera, acts to firm the skin. Take 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt and combine with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Mix everything until smooth. See how easy it is? Now use a brush to apply the mask on your face and let it act for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes are over, remove the mask with water. You will immediately notice your smoother skin. If you do this treatment every day, you will see your sagging cheeks will, little by little, look less drooping. Avocado and Honey Mask. This facial mask is famous and super easy to do. We already know that avocado has some incredible properties to firm and moisturize the skin. Using it makes our skin more toned and nourished, which avoids wrinkles. This nutrition extends to the muscles even. Add 2 spoonfuls of honey to an avocado pulp. Mix well and apply the cream on your cheeks, letting it act for 15 minutes. After this time is over, rinse with warm water. This mask is perfect to use before sleeping. So, did you like the recipes? Did you know any of them already? Try them and tell us your opinion in the comments. Before applying these 2 masks on your face, apply a little bit on your elbows. If you have any kind of allergic reaction, stop the use. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.